Intro music, Fix Zone jingle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fix Zone. Today, we're going to show you how to easily enable and use the continuity camera feature on your Mac. This lets you use your iPhone as a webcam, and trust me, the quality is a huge improvement. Let's get started. First, we need to enable the continuity camera option on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone and head into the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Next, find and tap on AirPlay and Handoff. Now, make sure the continuity camera toggle is switched on. That's it for the iPhone setup. Alright, back to your Mac. Now, open up any application that uses your webcam. In this example, I'm going to use FaceTime. Point out the poor webcam quality on the Mac. See that grainy image? We're about to fix that. Go up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and find the video settings within FaceTime. Click on that, and then select your iPhone camera from the list of available cameras. Sound of the iPhone chime. You should hear a chime on your iPhone, and BAM. You're now using the back camera of your iPhone as your webcam. Place your iPhone where your Mac's webcam usually sits. Show the improved image quality. Notice the huge difference in quality? I highly recommend getting an iPhone mount to keep your phone steady. I'll leave a link to one in the description below. Now check this out. If you click on the FaceTime icon in the menu bar, you'll see some cool settings like Studio Light and Portrait Mode that you can play around with. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, so if you want to disconnect your iPhone and go back to using your Mac's webcam, just go back to the video options in the menu bar. Click on FaceTime HD Camera, or whatever your default webcam is. And just like that, you're back to the Mac's camera. You can also just tap the big disconnect button that pops up on your iPhone if you prefer. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Outro music, Fix Zone jingle.